Today, we're diving into the Lucky Craft LC 1.5 DRS, a fishing lure that promises to bring some serious action to your fishing game. At first glance, its 60 mm length and 1 2-ounce weight make it a compact yet substantial tool for your tackle box. Designed to float, it's equipped with VMC No. 4 hooks, ensuring a reliable hold when those strikes come in. But what really sets this lure apart is its deep rattle sound, which can lure in fish from depths of 3 to 4 feet. Now, let's talk performance. The 270 ms American shad color option is a classic choice that mimics the natural prey of many game fish species. Its plastic construction ensures durability, even after repeated use. With a weight of 12 grams, it casts smoothly and accurately, allowing you to cover plenty of water in your search for that trophy catch point. One of the standout features of the Lucky Craft LC 1.5 DRS is its ability to dive deep, reaching depths that other lures might struggle to reach. Whether you're targeting bass, walleye, or pike, this lure has the versatility to adapt to different fishing conditions. And let's not forget about that deep rattle sound. It's like ringing the dinner bell for hungry fish. Overall, the Lucky Craft LC 1.5 DRS lives up to its reputation as a top-performing fishing lure. Its combination of size, weight, color options, and that distinctive rattle sound make it a must-have for any angler looking to up their game. So, if you're ready to reel in some big catches and make a splash on the water, give the Lucky Craft LC 1.5 DRS a try. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.